In this video I'm going to show you how to download the game Rap House Simulator on your PC. So if you buy games at Steam it can be quite expensive, but don't worry, we have a workaround today. So we will quickly search up this game at Steam before we can continue to another website to download it. So make sure you will stick to the end and you will be set up within a couple of minutes. Now go to the Steam website and don't waste too much time over there because we are not going to buy it here. We are going to download it on another website. Search up the game Rap House Simulator and then search for it. Now once you have found the game Rap House Simulator over here, then you can select it. Select the game, then scroll a little bit down, and as you can see there is a free demo available, but we would like to download this full game. On Steam it is €8.27, but don't worry, we have a little workaround for this. What you need to do is go to the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. Then you will be redirected to this page. Now search up the same game Rap House Simulator and then select it. The next step will be selecting games on the left side and then sort by price lowest first. And now we need to look for a PC version which can be activated in our country, so make sure this text is marked green and then we can click on it. Now once you have opened the game page, you will find out that we can already download this game for just €6.39 compared to the Steam price of €8.27. This will save you a bit of money while downloading games online. Now you can purchase this game on this website and then you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including a activation key for Steam or a completely new legit Steam account to download this game on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye.